Hello traders, hope you're doing well. Today trading in Nifty and Bank Nifty would have been a difficult task for a lot of option buyers. In fact, today we just had one proper trading opportunity in both the index. In our yesterday analysis video, we had exactly discussed about this trading opportunity. If you remember, in Nifty yesterday, we had discussed that if Nifty holds on to this upper range, then there is a chance of momentum towards the upside. In Bank Nifty also, while analyzing the chart, yesterday I had discussed about the symmetric pattern where I said that if Bank Nifty opens at the upper level, there is a chance that it can retrace. Later we can see a momentum towards the upside. Those of you remember this, let me know in the comment section. Traders, today morning in our private Telegram group also I had clearly explained about this setup. If you see here, somewhere around 9:26, I shared this setup of Bank Nifty where I said Bank Nifty can make a momentum like this. And I clearly explained, be careful in Bank Nifty. If day high is broken, it can make a momentum like this. Symmetric pattern, retest breakout, right? So this setup yesterday also we had discussed. Live market also, I gave this update in the private Telegram group. Now why I thought Bank Nifty will move towards the upside is because compared to previous 2 days opening candle, today market opened with a slight gap up. So if people consider 48,086 as a resistance and place put option trade, the stop loss will be on top. To hunt the stop loss, my expectation was market can make a quick momentum towards the upside to hit their stop loss. Now what do I mean by this is, in the previous 2 sessions, the opening was very far, but today the opening was very close. When we know already this is the resistance, when this resistance break, many people will think about entering a put option. That means their stop loss is on top. To hunt the stop loss, market can reverse. With this logic, my view about Bank Nifty today was bullish to sideways. And in Nifty also, yesterday we had discussed, right? This is the resistance, this is the support. At the upper level, when many people think about entering a put option trade, Nifty can move towards the upside to hit all their stop losses. Now the same consolidation breakout setup in the private Telegram group I had discussed. At 9:31, I shared this chart of Nifty saying that this kind of momentum towards the upside is possible. Now, of course, India VIX was a big problem for us. That is why Bank Nifty, it was just consolidating within a range. That is why I said India VIX can be our enemy for the current expiry. Somewhere around 10 o'clock itself, I said, can't say if market can consolidate now. So please ensure you exit or trail your SL to the last candle. Either if you would have exited from the market or if you have trailed your stop loss, you would have exited with profit. You wouldn't have got stuck in this sideways market. So traders, yesterday what we discussed, today what we discussed, everything has a connection. So please pay complete focus and attention to the levels that we discuss and also the logic that we explain in the video. The main reason why Bank Nifty was consolidating within a range today was because of India VIX. India VIX is still at 10. When it goes to 12, 13, that is when we can see bigger momentum in the market. This is as per my view. Now for the current expiry, I expect India VIX to close somewhere between 10 to 11 or 12. When people enter fresh position for the May month, that is when I feel Bank Nifty and Nifty has bigger chances of moving towards the upside or downside. So for tomorrow's trade also, please keep a track of India VIX. Now the next important global market update is US has decided to provide $95 billion war aid for 3 countries, Ukraine, Israel and Taiwan. All these 3 countries are very close to US, right? All are fighting their war. Now US has told that we are going to give $95 billion to support these 3 countries. Because of this, what has happened is in China, it has created tension because there is constant battle between China and Taiwan. China is saying that if you give war aid for Taiwan, this is setting up a negative example for other countries. So this is one of the important update which has happened overnight. Now coming to the next update, Brent crude oil and gold, even today it has been correcting a bit. Now one of the main reason why oil price is correcting is because still there is no new tension in relationship to the war between Israel and Iran. Because of that, crude price is seeing some decent fall. When it comes to gold, like I've already told you, as gold price is correcting, I am personally acquiring gold. There's not any kind of investment advice. I expect gold to rally once US starts cutting interest rate. One more reason why gold price would have reduced is because maybe China has stopped importing gold as of now. We cannot enter the trade at the lowest price. So whenever there is a dip, my view is we have to accumulate. This is my personal opinion and this is what I am doing. Before you take any kind of financial decision, please ensure you do your own research. Now traders, India VIX is just 10.25. The market has already factored in that there will not be any interest rate cut. Then the main focus in the market will be the Q4 results of companies. Now traders, here I'm going to share a snippet with you. These are all the companies which are coming up with their Q4 results on 24th of April. If you're holding any of these stocks, please make sure that you go and check out the results. Also, please ensure based on news you don't take any trade. Already day before yesterday I gave you a scenario about Reliance Industry where people already accumulated the stock before the result, and as soon as the result came, after giving a breakout, there was continuous fall in Reliance Industry. So more than based on news, please open these charts and mark important support and resistance level. Based on what you feel, you take the decision. Now traders, one company which is not going to announce their Q4 results is Mahindra and Mahindra Finance Services. If you are holding this company, please note that they're not going to announce their results. The Q4 result announcement has been suspended. Now, what is the reason for this? If you check online, you will get to know Mahindra Finance has detects 150 crore loan fraud. That means you can go ahead and read this article. It says the amount involved is approximately 150 crore. So this has happened in one branch of Northeast region of India. Now the type of fraud is fraud involvement in forgery of KYC. So this company has identified a fraudulent activity in forgery of KYC. The company is seriously looking into this issue, because of which they will not be announcing their Q4 result or yearly result until May 30th. This is one more important stock specific update. If you're holding the stock, please take this information into consideration. Now traders, till now we have discussed about some of the global update and also how our trade went today. Now let's quickly discuss our trading plan for tomorrow. Now traders, if you see FII and DII data for today also FII has been net sellers where they've sold for 2,500 crores and DII has bought for 3,800 crores. This is the first thing. Continuously FIIs has been net sellers. In US, some index are trading in neutral. S&P 500, Nasdaq is trading above 1.5%. Maybe this will change tonight, tomorrow morning. Accurate data I will share in the pre-market report. European market also is neutral. Yesterday there was a decent move, but as of now it is holding on to its range. Now GIFT Nifty is indicating that our market will open somewhere near 22,400 level. Even this can change overnight. But with this information, if you look at option chain data, near 22,400 for the current expiry on call option side as well as put option side, there are good positions added. Maybe sometimes what people will do is, if market opens near 22,400 near the same level tomorrow, option buyers might apply a long straddle where they will buy both call option and put option of 22,400. Whichever side market moves, they'll book their profit in that. Opposite position they will exit. This kind of activity can happen, so please be careful about that. But more important levels in the market will be 22,500 where a lot of call option writers are sitting in the market. Tomorrow if market opens with a gap up somewhere near 22,460 or 470 level, this will create panic for call option writers. Market can move towards the upside to remove these people from the market, especially on expiry day. Like this movement is possible, so please be careful about this. On the put option side, if market goes below 22,400 or 22,350, it will create panic for put option sellers, because near 22,300, 22,350, 400, all of these levels call option writers are sitting in the market. Now let's open Nifty chart. In Nifty you can see previously this level was acting as resistance. Today after this breakdown, Nifty again it is facing resistance here. Tomorrow if Nifty opens somewhere here or here, it's just consolidating within this range. Then planning for any kind of trade is not a good idea. You can see I've drawn a trend line here. If market comes out of this range, retest again. If it forms solid green candles, maybe market would decide to move towards the upside to remove all option writers at 22,500 level. So there at every pullback, if we have any opportunity on the call option side with small stop loss, we can consider this. Our first target will be 22,500, next 22,550. In Nifty, there is a gap here. To fill the gap, market can move towards the upside. Now, in case market opens somewhere here or here, consolidates, better to avoid any kind of trade. Previously, you can see both the side market trapped call option and put option buyers. So it is better that we wait for market to come out of 22,350. Retest again. If it breaks this level, then with small stop loss we will plan for a put option trade where this area can be our target towards the downside, which is 22,250 area. So this is my view about Nifty at this point of time. Tomorrow morning view can change. That is why we will wait for 10-15 minutes, try to understand the market sentiment, identify important support and resistance level during the live market, and then we will look for trading opportunity. Today Bank Nifty was just holding on to this up level after this breakout. Tomorrow immediately if Bank Nifty comes out of this range, planning for any call option trade is not a good idea, because the next resistance which we have is 48,300. In case market comes out of this upper range, retest, if it breaks, then with small stop loss we can plan for a call option trade. But what I personally feel is, for the next month expiry, tomorrow morning people will wait until 10 a.m, see what is the market condition. Based on that they will identify the next resistance and support for the coming week. Only then they will enter the position. For us also it will be better if we wait until 10 a.m and then plan our trade, but let's see what happens during the live market. So at the upper level, small opportunity with less quantity, we can try for call option trade. Within this range, if market is trading, of course there is no trading opportunity. But if Bank Nifty comes out of this zone, previously this was previously this was resistance, now this can act as support. If market corrects a bit, again if it breaks this level, only then planning for put option trade is a good idea. Market has a gap to fill. To fill this gap, it can move towards the downside, and next target will be this supporting area, which is 47,890. Tomorrow global market update will be shared in the free Telegram channel. You can scan this QR code to join the group. Link is also provided in the description box below. If you enjoyed this analysis, share your support by liking the video, subscribing to the channel. If you think this video will be useful for your friends, please share it with them. Now that's all for this video. I'll see you in the next one.